Welcome to Framework Fortune. I'm your host Ben, and today was day 14 of the Small Account Day Trading Challenge. If you want to follow this challenge, be sure to smash that subscribe button and the notification bell. So today we actually had pretty good volume in the market in the penny stock world, and I found a very predictable play that fit my strategy, but I could not get in before the halt. I still ended up trading the stock, so let's dive into that footage now. And let's see what happens here. CGIX coming up. It almost broke right here, but it didn't. So I'm trying to... Oh, wow. And it's going straight up. You really want more of a build up to the VWAP. This just kind of went straight through the VWAP, which makes me nervous. But it looks like it's going to go crazy here. It's about to get halted. What if I can get in before the halt? And I don't think I can. Nope. Nope, couldn't get in before the halt. Now let's see, this has got room to go to 721. See, it looks like the halt's over, and we didn't really gap up. It looks like it's still running though. Yeah, oof, man, this thing is going nuts. And it, let's see, no, I thought maybe it was going to get halted. That's a big upper shadow though, so that's kind of scary. Getting a lot of action on CGIX right now. Quite honestly, I don't want to touch it now at this point because I missed the entry. Right down here would have been the entry at that break of $5. So we just want to see if we get another U shape maybe on this. I could look for a bounce off of the VWAP potentially on this. Market conditions are a little sketchy this morning. Like I said, I'm scared to touch the bull flag. Bull flag is what got me on that big loss last time. That's what I was expecting. And this is a little bit of a U shape, but my problem is if I get in here, I'm getting in at the top right now, which is dangerous. Right now it's consolidating, getting squeezed, and so we're either going to get a crack here soon, a big crack, or it's going to go on a run. I don't want to chase this though, that's the problem. So it looks like it might start moving here. Yeah, and this is gonna, if it breaks 650, it's going on a run. Big upper shadow. Bid up to 669. Bid's kind of all over the place now. Yeah, this is too far off the VWAP for me. CGIX all the way up to 698. Big move here. Let's see if it can hold up. If this candle closes above that 200 EMA, this could really start going crazy. You can see it come down to 650. Maybe get a bounce there. Only thing that worries me is this 200-day moving average right here, because it didn't break through it. It looks like it's trying to now, but if it doesn't break through this 200-day, then it's probably going to crash back down. But it's consolidating right at this 200-day moving average, so if it can't break that, it's going to crack down. Ooh, there's the big crack. Shoo! Big old crack on that. That's why I didn't want to get in this, because of that craziness right there. Look at that, all the way back down to the VWAP. So I got 611, so I'm only willing to risk about 20 cents on this, so if it cracks $6, I'll probably get out. See if it bounce back up to 650, I'll probably get out of this. Looking a little weak right here, and I don't really like that. I'm not willing to risk much on this. Get over that 630 area. 630's got some sellers there. Drop right back down. Maybe in trouble here. Oh, and I've got to get out right here. $24 loss. Yeah, I had to get out. As soon as it cracked $6, I knew that was going to be bad. Yep. That's what I was worried about. Alright, well, another loss. I was up a little bit, but it didn't quite get to where I wanted. So here's the order for today. Buy 100 shares of CGIX at $6.11, 10:35 a.m. Sell 100 shares of CGIX at $5.87, 10:39 a.m. And this was for a $24 loss. So after missing the initial entry at the VWAP break, I should have just sat out. It was no longer in the realm of my strategy and just waited till the next day to find a whole nother trade. But I tried to find a bounce play, got filled a little too high, and I had to take a loss on that play. That being said, I didn't bag hold this time and I cut my losses quick as I possibly could when the $6 mark broke. So that's it for day 14 of the small account day trading challenge. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below or come join the live stream and ask the questions live. Thank you for joining me. I'm your host Ben. You've been watching Framework Fortune.